She drank this turmeric drink in the morning. This is what happened to her: chronic inflammation and metabolism. The name of this mysterious turmeric drink is golden milk. The golden milk is an amazing drink which you'll need to drink it at night time, and it will provide many health benefits. The golden milk main ingredient is one of the most powerful spices in the world, turmeric. Let me say few words about this super healthy and incredible ingredient. As we all know, turmeric's most valuable and most powerful compound is curcumin. The curcumin is a polyphenol identified as its primary active component and which exhibits over 150 potentially therapeutic activities. The curcumin provides many health properties such as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, etc. These are the most common health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric health benefits: helps maintain cholesterol levels, promotes digestive health, liver detoxifier, regulates metabolism and weight management, high blood pressure, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiseptic, analgesic, boosts immunity, anti-carcinogenic, memory and brain function, various skin conditions, neurological disorders, lowers triglycerides. You should also know that if you add black pepper to turmeric or turmeric spiced foods, you will enhance turmeric's bioavailability by 1000 times. This is because black pepper contains the powerful compound called piperine. Yes, this is true. If you mix black pepper and turmeric, you will increase your body's absorption of the turmeric powder by almost 2000%. As we mentioned in the beginning of this article, we are going to show you how to make this powerful and super healthy turmeric drink, or so-called golden milk. Just follow the simple instructions below and you are good to go. Golden milk recipe. Step 1. Turmeric paste. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 cup of filtered water. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just mix all the ingredients in a small saucepan and mix them well. Then you need to turn on the heat to medium and stir well until you get a thick paste. Note, it won't take long, so don't walk away from the pan. When the mixture is done, remove it from heat and let it cool. When the mixture is cooled, put it in a glass jar and refrigerate it. Step 2. Golden milk. Ingredients: 1 cup of almond milk, hemp or coconut are also good options, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon or more of turmeric paste, honey. Directions. Here's what you need to do. The procedure is very easy and simple, just follow the simple instructions. First, you need to mix all the ingredients in a saucepan, except the honey. Put on the saucepan on medium heat, and while you are heating, you make sure you stir it all the time. Note, don't let the mixture to boil. Add honey to taste. You should definitely try this homemade golden milk recipe. It contains one of the most powerful and one of the healthiest ingredients in the world, turmeric. It will provide any health benefits and you will be amazed by the results. It's a great way to fight inflammations and boost your immune system in all natural way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share with your friends and family.